Do you ever need to quickly write something down, but don't want to open a full app and lose focus? Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Notes Sidebar app for Windows, a simple but powerful tool to keep your notes always within reach. From the pinned window on your desktop, or directly from the Windows 11 dashboard using the Windows widget. If you like clean productivity tools, you're going to love this one. Let's jump in. Type your note by simply clicking here and start typing. For example, I'm typing ABC right now, and it's saved instantly on your computer. There's no save button needed. Below, you'll see a mini toolbar that shows the total number of characters on this page. You can also print your note, copy it to your clipboard, or even have the text read aloud. Customize. Note Sidebar can also be customized to match your personal style, both for the Note window and the Windows 11 widgets. Click on the Settings button below to open the Settings page. At the top, you can change the window size to extra small, small, medium, large, or extra large. You can also choose to hide buttons from the toolbar here, including the character count, print button, clipboard button, and speech button. Below that, you can also change the text color of the notepad. For example, let's change it to red. If we go back to the note page, you'll see that all the text is now red. Let's set it back to the default black color. This also supports multiple tabs. To enable this, change the radio button to multiple pages, then go back to the note page. You'll now see 4 tabs. You can type unique text in each tab, and each one will remember its own content. You can also choose your own save location if you want to store your notes somewhere else, for example on a local network drive. Windows 11 widget. You can also add Note Sidebar to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select Note Sidebar from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. And that's it! You now know how to use the Note Sidebar Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.